Class 150 now arriving at Digby and Sowton. That's what this station's called, isn't it? I think so. Which bids farewell to this station, and I hope to see you in the near future in another video. Check out my other videos soon to come in Limpstone Village, Limpstone Commando, and X2. I've also done a few other videos today in Devon and other things. Okay, bye. And 152.16. Going to Painter. Welcome to Digby and Sowton Station, if that's how you say it. It's one of them stations that connects two places together. There's a very large, well, waiting shelter here. Tried to say welter, waiting shelter. Yeah, there you are. The help point. The bins that sadly not blowing the breeze. Next train button. There's the departure board. Last time I pressed that, it started ringing someone, so I don't really want to press it, but yes. This station has a ticket machine, unlike a few of them on this branch line. And there's one of those big generators too, as a rural station normally does.